Hello YouTube and welcome to a new short Techsloth video. I'm just back from the Apple Store because I heard last week that Apple got something new. Okay, something old just in bigger. The smart battery case for the iPhone XS Max. And even though I'm really satisfied with the battery life, MWC is just around the corner and I thought maybe this case is enough that I don't need the extra mobile battery pack. If I'm on a fair, if I'm on an event trip or anything like that, I just take this battery case and this may last me through the day, even though I'm 8, maybe now, let's say 4 hours of 4K video recording and still using the iPhone as a normal smartphone. So we got the iPhone XS Max battery case and this costs the normal leather case, and yes, this is also leather. Sorry for my voice, but I got a cold. The normal battery case for the Max cost 55 euros. Now in here we got, of course, lightning port, we got the battery, maybe 2000 milliampere hours, and it supports wireless Qi charging, so this should cost around 70, 80, maybe 90 euros, you think? No! Apple wants 149 euros for that, so you pay 96 euros just for the battery. It's a technology. This is just insane. This is, other people buy a smartphone for that amount of money. So what's inside? We get the instruction here. Of course, we get the battery pack or the smart battery case. Fine print, no stickers, and this is the whole instruction here. Just flip it back and then slide the smartphone in. So, and yes, you get this device in black and white. That's all the colors there. I chose white because I'm a fan of white devices, and black, everybody can buy black, but I want to see how well the white color ages or gets dirty if you use it normally. And this is heavy. This is something, it's big, but it's also heavy. Other device, I wouldn't say this is the same weight as a normal smartphone, but this is heavy. And you can see, you get the step structure, no battery, there's a battery built in. We got openings for the speaker, for the microphone, lightning port down here, and the camera. So let's this just flips back. So let's slide our smartphone in here, and there we go. I think, oh yes, the case is a little bit charged. So you see the iPhone will get charged. And now let's see something. Put it on the Qi charging pad. We hear a beep. So it's getting charged. Oh, and there we go. The case also get recognized so that we get to see the battery stand of the case, which was 1%. Let's do it again. Now no one getting charged here. Oh, other way around. So, no, yes. Oh, there you can see it. Smart case battery 0%. iPhone was something a 669 or anything like that. Let's see if I can do it one more time. There we go. So the camera can see something as well. Okay, so this will work. What else can we check out? I can push the on and off button. Yeah, it's a little bit harder to press. Maybe I need 1/3 of more of pressure. Volume buttons, the same I would say. And can I reach the volume, the mute switch? Yes, you can, but not with your index finger of the hand that's holding the device. So if you use this in your pocket, you know, you need the other hand and the other fingernail. So speaking about pockets, what is with this device in my pockets in my trousers? Yes, you can see the whole step of the device, of the case, that you get the big thing, the smaller thing, but in my trousers it just feels like an iPhone, like an iPhone maybe with a case, but it's nothing really too heavy. But holding this combination in my hand, this is definitely something really, really huge here. So this battery life has to be really fantastic to convince me to keep using this case. But really, try this out in an Apple store or find someone that uses this combination, because it's really, really huge. So what about the case itself? It also can be charged with wirelessly. There should be, there we go. We get an LED indicating that it's charged. And now, what maybe a few of you thinking, maybe I can use the lightning port there to charge the Apple AirPod case. No, you can't, because the downside, the part down here, you can't flip it over, so that you can't connect your case with the lightning port here. So this won't work. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And in a couple of weeks I will tell you how well iPhone's XS Max smart battery case has held up so far. Bye.